Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to witness something truly mind-blowing as we unveil the incredible world of construction. And in this video, we're diving into the amazing fastest wooden house construction methods that will leave you in awe. Imagine building your dream wooden house in record time. It's not just a dream anymore. We've uncovered a method that's not only fast, but absolutely astonishing. You won't believe your eyes. Galbox, where building your dreams becomes as simple as stacking blocks, inspired by the interlocking toys of our childhood. Founded in Belgium in 2019 by Gabriel Lacatos, with over 25 years of experience in traditional construction, Galbox is not just a company, it's a revolution in the world of self-building. Imagine a flat-pack timber house system reminiscent of your favorite childhood building blocks. No drying time, no need for glue, and no construction expertise required. Osblock empowers you to construct your own project effortlessly. Our mission is clear: leverage technical innovations to create sustainable structures accessible to people worldwide. We prioritize durability, environmental respect, innovation, efficiency, and above all, passion. The Galbox construction system is a game-changer. By stacking insulated wooden blocks, you create the framework of your house, eliminating waste, delays, and the need for modifications. A complete kit is delivered, tailored to your architectural plans. The Galbox team guides you through the foundation and initial block laying, empowering you to take charge. No heavy tools are required, just a screwdriver, a ladder, and your determination. Whether it's a house, workshop, garage, garden shed, or outbuilding, Galbox turns construction into child's play. In just 5-6 days, you can build 102 of your dream space. Introducing Osblock Insulated Wall, a revolution in building efficiency. Osblock Insulated Wall is a cutting-edge solution that redefines the standards of construction efficiency. Designed for optimal insulation performance, this innovative system is a game-changer in the world of building materials. Crafted with precision and engineered for superior thermal performance, Osblock Insulated Wall ensures energy efficiency, providing a comfortable and sustainable living environment. The insulated wall panels are meticulously designed to eliminate thermal bridging, offering a barrier that keeps interiors cozy in winter and cool in summer. What sets Osblock apart is its ease of installation. The interlocking design facilitates a straightforward assembly process, reducing construction time and costs significantly. This makes it an ideal choice for both professional builders and DIY enthusiasts. Beyond its insulation prowess, Osblock also champions environmental sustainability. The materials used in the construction of Osblock insulated wall are environmentally friendly, contributing to a greener and more sustainable building industry. Whether you are constructing a residential home, commercial space, or an industrial facility, Osblock insulated wall provides a versatile and efficient solution. Say goodbye to complex insulation methods and welcome a streamlined, high-performance alternative with Osblock. In summary, Osblock insulated wall combines cutting-edge insulation technology, easy installation, and environmental consciousness to offer a superior building solution. Embrace the future of construction with Osblock and elevate your projects to new heights of efficiency and sustainability. And there you have it, folks, the astonishing journey through the amazing fastest wooden house construction method. Wasn't that absolutely mind-blowing? If you enjoyed watching this as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever seen a construction method this fast and innovative? We'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future explorations in the world of construction marvels. A massive thank you for joining us on this incredible journey today. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content. Until next time, I'm Your Name, signing off. Stay amazed, stay inspired, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.